Hello and welcome to Uniguru.
If you're an international student planning to study in the UK, there are important changes you need to know about. The UK Home Office has announced a significant increase in the maintenance funds requirement for student visas starting January 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through what this means and how it will affect your visa application. The current maintenance requirement is set at £1,334 per month for students studying in London, and £1,023 per month for those studying outside of London. From January 2025, the maintenance requirement will increase to £1,483 per month for London-based students, and £1,136 for students studying outside the capital. This adjustment aligns the maintenance funds required for international students with the maintenance loans available to home students for the 2024 to 2025 academic year. These changes aim to ensure international students have the necessary funds to live comfortably while studying in the UK, matching the rising cost of living. The increase is significant, so students applying for visas after January 2, 2025, must be aware of the new amounts and prepare accordingly. It's important to remember that the current maintenance levels will remain in place until the change comes into effect in 2025, giving students time to adjust their financial planning. In conclusion, these changes reflect the Home Office's ongoing efforts to update financial requirements in line with the realities of studying in the UK, providing more equitable support for international students. Stay informed about the latest updates on UK immigration policies and how they affect international students. Make sure to plan ahead and prepare for these changes in the upcoming visa applications. Subscribe to our channel for more news and tips on studying abroad. See you in the next update.